Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and today I wanted to do some swatches of the products from the Peach collection from ColourPop. So I definitely love this collection more than the Strawberry collection because it's a lot more subtle and like the blushes are amazing. So we're gonna start with the pressed powder palette. So here's what it looks like. These colors are so pretty. I actually already swatched it on my arm. I'll show you closer. Here are some lip tints. So this one is Rise and Shine. And this is what it looks like. So pretty. And then this one is Gimme S'more. And they smell like peach. And so here's a swatch of that one too. I know these are horrible swatches, but I'm actually wearing both of them, a little bit of both of them. So again, it's very subtle. The collection also comes with mascara and eyeliner, which I desperately needed one of these liquid liners, and it worked out pretty well, as you can see. So here are the pressed powder cheeks. They sent 3 of these out. The one that I'm wearing right now is this one right here, which is called Fresh and Peachy. Then we also got Frisky Business. And then Perk Up. And then here are the Super Shock Shadow Trio. And these are beautiful. I love the name too. You want a peach of me? Do you? Do you want a peach of me? This color right here is 6 a.m. So these are the, Super Shock Shadows. Ultra Metallic. That's what it says on the back. Wow. Those are so pretty. Swatch it right here on the hand. And they're so soft. Oh my gosh, I love these. Okay, so this one is again 6 a.m. And then this one is called In Axis. That is so pretty. And then last is Golden Hour. Gorgeous. This is my favorite. I actually used Golden Hour on my cheeks, like on my highlight, for my highlight. So that's really pretty too. That's what that looks like. So gorgeous. Okay. So here's a close-up of the Shimmer Shock Shadows. So pretty. And then last but not least, this is the Lippy bundle. And it comes with a Lippy scrub, which I tried, and I'm obsessed with these because they taste so good and they make your lips look nicer. And then the Lippy balm, which is my favorite thing right now from the collection because it is so moisturizing. I'll be using this every day. And that is it for my video today. I actually really want to be quick with it because I just did a quick makeup tutorial for Instagram, and I'll put it in here too. But it's late, it's 2 a.m. in the morning, and I'm trying not to be so loud because my roommates are sleeping. So yes, that is it for my video. I'm going to scrub this all off. I do love this look. It's so pretty. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye! I also have a discount code for you guys if you want to use it. It's 5LexiMonty, and you'll get $5 off your purchase. Yay!